Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Nokia G60, and now I can show you how to set up newbie share on your device. Okay, firstly open your control panel and find here newbie share. It's here. Click and hold on it and enable newbie share feature. Then you can change your device name, you can change your device visibility mode. If you want to use hidden mode, no one can see you in newbie share feature. You can choose contacts mode to share your position in the newbie share only for contacts, but truly it's not working so good, so I suggest to use everyone mode when you want to receive something, and then choose hidden mode when you get something. So choose everyone mode and change data usage mode if you want. So you can use without internet mode. In this mode your device will use only Bluetooth. You can choose Wi-Fi mode only, and data mode. Data mode includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth modes. So okay, that's it. So now if you want to share the file or image, you just need to open this file or image, then click share button and find newbie share. Click on it, click allow, and here you will see all newbie share devices available for share. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.